Welcome back to another video. So how you can uninstall Windows updates? So how you can do that? Okay, so search the settings first in start bar. Open the settings. When you open the settings, you can see the last option, Windows updates. Okay, open the Windows updates option, and here you can see the update history. So click on update history option. Slide down a little bit and slide down, and now you can see the uninstall updates. Okay, so click on this option, uninstall update. If we have two updates, we can uninstall, and last installed date is 1905. Okay, 1905 2025. Okay, I can install the updates from here. If your system not working properly, and after update you can uninstall from here the last update. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.